Hello everyone, I will be sharing today with you guys my experience of using menstrual cup. I have been using menstrual cup since 2 years and the whole video is about this experience of 2 years. For this video purpose I am using a new menstrual cup to demonstrate you and show you guys the menstrual cup. So I had bought my menstrual cup from this site Rustic Art. So this is the Rustic Art site. From here I got this menstrual cup. Along with this menstrual cup I got this natural clay hand wash and the menstrual cup wash, and this is the small pouch that I was talking about where you can keep the menstrual cup and carry along with you. So the first time when I ordered this is a new pack which I've ordered for this video purpose, and the one which I've been using for the past 2 years, when I ordered that one, it had only the menstrual cup and the pouch, and it did not have the hand wash and the menstrual cup wash. The menstrual cup wash I've been using after this pack arrived, and it's really good, and I would suggest you to buy this menstrual cup wash also. So starting from where I got to know about the menstrual cup, I got to know about it through YouTube videos, and I think I saw some advertisements and all in Instagram maybe, and so I was curious about it. No one whom I knew was using a menstrual cup, so it was a first. But let me tell you that after I have been using it, I have recommended it to my friends and my family, and my sister has been using it since then, and one of my friends is also using this, and I have got a positive response from both of them. So it was a very risky job to do because you did not have anyone to guide you, or if you have any problem, you are stuck. So under whom would you go, to ask some advices and guidance? Before, when I placed the order, and the cost of this menstrual cup when I bought it, the cost was around 850 rupees something, like I don't remember the exact amount. 2 years ago it was 850 rupees, but now when I bought this new packet, I bought it around a few months back, I think 2-3 months back, but I have not used this packet, only the menstrual cup wash I've been using. So this costed me around 950 or something, I'm not sure. I think there's a 100 rupees hike sort of. So yes, you might find it to be very costly, and for the years I was ready for this and I should go for this. And also how to insert it and everything, and the advantages and disadvantages, everything was measured, and then I bought the cup. But even after buying the cup, first venture for me, it was like I was risking so much of my 850 rupees at risk. But before purchasing it, I had watched several videos of menstrual cup to be 110% sure. Holding the cup for the first time in your hands, I was too nervous to tell the truth, and I tried inserting it when I was not in my menses. When the cup arrived, you have to sanitize it. It's very important, like disinfect it basically. So that is done by boiling it in the water. So I did that and I tried to insert it, but I couldn't, and I panicked that is it not the right size, or is my vagina too small, or what will happen. And then again I went back to some of the videos and watched some more new videos, and then I found out that the menstrual cup won't go unless you are in your menses, you are menstruating, because when the blood comes, so it becomes a bit lubricated, and then only this cup can go inside. And finally, when my menses came, I tried this and it worked, like it worked wonders. And since then I've been using the menstrual cup and I have never looked back to my packs. So talking about the the price difference, that it costed me around 850 rupees back then. So if I calculate, I think my per month pads, the amount it got used was around 30 rupees per month approximately. I'm taking it, might go sometimes 40, or I don't know, but approximately 30 if I take it. So for 12 months, 30 rupees per month, it's 360 rupees. And for 2 years, it's about, if I'm not wrong, it's 720 rupees, yes. And this menstrual cup, I bought it around 850 rupees. And this menstrual cup I will be using for more than, more 5 or 10 years coming. So approximately, if you see that, maybe at that time it was a big investment, but now when you, look back, after all these years, it's not that a big an investment, and you will be eventually saving money. And also, this menstrual cup is made of silicone and is body friendly as well as environment friendly. So you are saving the world from all the plastics or chemical things that are used in the manufacturing pads. And when we compare these menstrual cups to a tampon, so menstrual cups are inserted inside the vagina, and so are tampons. Tampons are also supposed to be inserted inside the vagina. So I was just checking, in Amazon right now, few minutes back before shooting this video, and I found out that a pack of 16 costs you, an organic tampons, that was what written in that pack. So an organic tampons of 16, pack of 16, cost around 260, I guess, if I'm not wrong. My knowledge of tampons, is very limited, so I can't comment much on it. But as far as I know, a tampon you should, ideally change after every 6 hours. So if you look at that way, then in a day, 24 hours, so that means you need to change it at least 3 to 4 times. And you have periods ranging from 3 to 5 days, or so. If I'm taking on an average for 4 days, so you are using approx 16 tampons every period, every month. So that means 260 rupees per month. So you can calculate the cost that will accumulate at the end of the month and after 2 years. So I don't know if there's any substitute for a tampon which is organic and body friendly, but it's obviously more costly when compared to menstrual cups, that I'm sure of. So if you want to know more about menstrual cups, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to insert the menstrual cup, then do let me know. I have already made videos on those topics earlier, but many complained that the voice quality was very poor and it was very difficult for them to hear and understand it. So I will be doing them once again. But if you have any query, do comment in the section below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that soon you will change to a better alternative than pads that we use normally. Thank you so much for watching once again.